Hello guys and welcome back to Excel Chat Academy. So we are doing one more question as part of the interview series from cell biology. So again, this is related to cell signaling. So if you're going through that chapter, these questions are going to be very easy for you guys to answer. So let's see the question now. Would an inhibitor of the kinase activity of type 2 TGF beta, that's a transforming growth factor beta receptor, affect phosphorylation of SMARTs targeted by type 1 receptor? बहुत ही सिंपल है. If at all, if you remember how the TGF beta receptor looks like. So just let me give you a little bit hint. If suppose this is your plasma membrane, then you have got one type 2 receptor and then you have got the type 1 receptor. So ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आके आपका TGF beta will bind. So what will happen now? Initially, in the normal case, what happens is that the type 2 receptor activates type 1 by phosphorylation, and type 1 receptor finally will activate your SMART proteins. Okay, so then this gets activated and finally the rest of the downstream intracellular signaling molecules will get activated. Now let's see the question what it is. An inhibitor of the kinase activity of type 2. So they are saying that if suppose this has got the inhibitor, okay, affect the phosphorylation of SMARTs targeted by type 1 receptor. So what do you think the answer will be? Yes, it is. Why? Because the activation of type 1 receptor results in the phosphorylation of the SMART, which in turn is getting activated or phosphorylated by the type 2. So suppose type 2 is getting inhibited, what will happen? There won't be any activation of type 1, so there won't be any activation of SMART. So yes, it is going to affect the phosphorylation of SMARTs targeted by the type 1 receptor. Okay? So this was really very direct question. Only in this case is that you need to remember the normal TGF beta pathway. So guys, this was really very simple and I'm happy to see that many of you are actually following the interviews and whatever assignment or the question I'm asking, you're giving the answer to those. It's really very nice because that shows that you guys are really very serious about your career. So guys, there's one more thing that if you think that you're not able to clear CSAR, but you wanted to do PhD in your life, it's like an important part of your life. So just let me know if you think like that. So let me know through your comments. If suppose this is the scenario, I really have another option for you guys, like to do a PhD, good PhD, if at all you're not able to clear the CSR. Okay, so let me know through your comments. This will also tell me that you're listening to my videos. And yes, any other comments are there? Always welcome. Okay, I'm always there to answer to all your queries. I'm there for you. Okay guys, so thank you for listening to this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. And yes, if at all any other questions are there, please mail to me at excelsioracademy1228@gmail.com. Thank you guys and stay safe.